everyone, it's day 3 for my advent calendar from Lozzie Creates. I already took the opportunity to find it in the box to make it a little bit quicker. And today the clue says, I found this locally and thought you may put it to use in a video or two. Only if you want to though. Ooh, so something crafty. Let's take a look. I am loving everything so far. I know it's only day 3. Washi and a paper theater. It's a small paper theater and washi. How small is this? It's so tiny. This is gonna be fun. It's only three like layers and 2 stars, but that is awesome, and definitely the washi is going to be put to use. I finally got myself a container, but I've got 3, but they're all full, so now I'll have to get another one for sure. Yeah, so I'm actually going to get back to journaling after the new year. I'm going to take a bunch of time so I can actually start doing that again for you guys, and this will get put to good use. And then if you want to see me do paper theaters, this will probably be a cute one to do, like, with another one, like another small one, not small, but one that's not a difficult one. If you want to see me do this, follow me over on Twitch, kawaiibritt on Twitch, and you'll be able to see me work on these. I usually craft on Saturday mornings. Right now I'm getting ready to work on this, which is a Christmas dollhouse in a tin. So I'll be doing that this Saturday. I'll be starting it. So I hope to see you guys there. And thank you so much, Lozzie. Everybody tune in tomorrow to see what day 4 brings.